Good morning, I'm Hiren Trivedi from Axis Securities presenting the daily fundamental view. Yesterday, Sensex declined 87 points to close at 28092 due to profit booking and the companies reported their Q2 results. The BSE Mid Cap Index fell 0.3% while the Small Cap Index rose 0.13%, outperforming the Sensex. There has been mixed bag performance in the banking sector. Among the private sector banks, HDFC Bank and Federal Bank have displayed good set of numbers with 18 and 27% loan book growth respectively, along with improvement in asset quality. Sequential decline in NPAs in both the banks. However, from the PSU space, IDBI Bank has posted weak lending growth, that is 7% year on year, and further deterioration in asset quality, that is gross NPAs at 13.05% versus 11.92% quarter on quarter. Coming to the global markets, the US markets ended lower amid some disappointing earnings report, correction in consumer stocks and decline in oil prices. The Dow Jones was down by 0.30% to close at 18,169, while the Nasdaq lost 26 points or 0.5% to close at 5283. Currently, the Asian markets are trading lower, tracking weak cues from Wall Street overnight and a decline in oil prices. Nikkei was trading lower by 0.19%, while Hang Seng was down by 0.66%. Singapore Nifty was trading lower by around 0.41%. The results that will be declared during the day are HDFC, Hero MotoCorp, HUL, ITC, Ajanta Pharma, Cadila Healthcare, Canara Bank, Coromandel International, Cummins India, Dabur India, Dalmia Bharat, Exide Industries, Syndicate Bank, Thomas Cook and Torrent Pharma. These are some of the key companies that will be declaring their results during the day. India has been ranked 130 out of 190 countries in World Bank report on ease of doing business. And the government is firm on multiple rates and cess on luxury goods under GST. Coming to company specific news, L&T Infotech to acquire Pune-based big data firm Augment IQ Data Sciences. The financial details of the transaction have not yet been disclosed. And Arvind Limited has sold 10% in the retail arm for Rs 740 crores to Multiples, a PE firm. The proceeds will be used to pay debt. Thank you.